it's less time, but research is so much in noni. If he gives me 2 hours, is also not sufficient for me. But I try to finish off. I just read out because slides are so much. There is more than 100 slides are there. I'm not going to waste on that. I just read out for you all regarding the clinical review. Abstract: Moringa citrifolia has been used to folk remedies by pollinations for over 2000 years and is reported to have a broad range of therapeutic effects including antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, anti-tumor, anti-hernic, analgesic, hypertensive, anti-inflammatory and immune-enhancing effects. Herbal and natural products of folk medicine have been used for centuries in every culture throughout the world. Scientists and medical professionals have shown increased interest in this field as they recognize the true health benefits of these remedies. Let food be your medicine and let your medicine be your food was advised by the father of medicine, Hippocrates, over 2 million ago. It's still true today that you are what you eat. The same story occurred in Polynesia. Among the medicinal plants discovered by the ancestors of Polynesians, Moringa citrifolia is one of the traditional folk medicinal plants that has been used for over 2000 years in Polynesia. It has been reported to have a broad range of therapeutic and nutritional value. An edible medical tropic plant, Moringa citrifolia, the ancestors of Polynesians are believed to have brought many plants with them as food medicine when they migrated from Southeast Asia 2000 years ago. Of the 12 most common medical plants they brought, noni was the second most popular plant used in herbal remedies to treat various common diseases and maintain overall good health. Noni is the common name of Moringa citrifolia and is also called Indian mulberry. Medicinal use of noni plant is used in many common ailments like high blood pressure, muscle aches, pains, menstrual difficulties, headaches, heart disease, AIDS, cancer, gastric ulcers, sprains, and so on and so forth. Isabel Abbott, a former botanical chemist at the University of Hawaii, stated that people are crazy about this plant. They use it for diabetes, high blood pressure, cancer, and many more other illnesses. Bushnell reported that noni was a traditional remedy used to treat broken bones, deep cuts, bruises, sores, and wounds. Morton gave numerous references for the medicinal uses of noni. In addition, Polynesians are reported to have successfully used noni to treat breast cancer and eye problems. Joseph Betts, a research chemist in the FDA's Division of Natural Products, Center for Food Safety and Medical Nutrition, stated that Moringa citrifolia has been tested for a number of biological activities in animal and antimicrobial studies. He reports that the dried fruit has smooth muscle stimulator activity and histamine effects. And I will not go into the details of the major components. Following speakers are already discussed. Zeronin system retired biochemist Ralph Henneke states that the noni food contains a natural precursor for zeronin that he named prozeronin. Prozeronin is converted to the alkaloid zeronin in the body by an enzyme he calls prozeronase. His hypothesis is that zeronin is able to modify the molecular structure of proteins. Thus, zeronin has a wide range of biological activities. Antibacterial activities: acubane, aspirilloside, and aliziran in the noni food, as well as some other anthocyanins compounds in noni roots, are all proven antibacterial agents. Bushnell reported on antibacterial properties of some plants found in Hawaii, including noni. He further reported that noni was traditionally used to treat all various problems, especially in Pseudomonas aeruginosa, M. pyrogenes, and E. coli is very powerful antibacterial effect. Locher reported that selected plants, including Moringa citrifolia, have history of use in Polynesian traditional medicines for the treatment of infectious diseases. Recently, Duncan demonstrated that scopolamine, a health promoter in noni, inhibits the activity of E. coli. commonly associated with the recent outbreaks resulting in hundreds of serious infections and death. Noni also helps in stomach ulcers through inhibition of bacteria H. pylori. Antiviral activity. Umezawa and co-workers found a compound isolated from noni roots named 1-methoxy-2-formyl 3-hydroxyanthracnone suppress the cytopathic effect of HIV. That itself indicates very good in HIV, prevents and enhances MT4 cells. Anti-tubercular effects. In the International Chemical Congress of the Pacific Basin Society's meeting in Honolulu, Salutes and colleagues from the Philippines reported that noni has been found to kill Mycobacterium tuberculosis. A concentration of extracts from noni leaves killed 89% of Mycobacterium as compared with rifampicin, which is a drug used in anti-tubercular. In 1993, Hiromatsu and colleagues reported in Cancer Letters the effects of over 500 extracts from the tropical plants on the KRAS NRK cells. Damna chemical isolated from the noni is anti-cancerous. Fuasa and co-workers demonstrated that damna chemical and anthracnone compound isolated from the noni root was reported to have a potent inhibitory activity towards tyrosine kinases. In his study, he examined the effects of damna chemical on ultraviolet ray-induced apoptosis. Dong reported that 2 glyphosate extracted from the noni precipitate were effective in inhibiting cell transformation induced by TPA. So on and so forth, my dear friends. And lack of time, I am not going to through the total pages. And clearly the data from this experiment indicated that noni was able to make the animals tolerate more pain compared to the placebo group. The length of toleration time was dose dependent. Immunologic activity. Asiana found that an alcohol extract noni fruit at various concentrations inhibited the production of tumor necrosis factor alpha, which is an endogenous tumor promoter. Therefore, the alcohol extract may inhibit the tumor promoting effect of TNF. Hirozumi found that noni precipitate contains a polysaccharide, this substance that inhibited the tumor growth. This suggested the possibility that noni precipitate may suppress tumor growth through activation of the host immune system. Wang and co-worker in University of Illinois College of Medicine observed that the thymus in animals treated with noni juice was enlarged. The weight of thymus was 1.7 times that of control animals whose drinking 10% of noni juice in drinking water. Mental and health improved high frequency hearing. A small human clinical trial of the effect of noni juice on auditory function and quality of life in the patients with a decreased bone mineral density and auditory function has been conducted in UIC College of Medicine, Rockford, Illinois, Chicago. This study showed that noni juice provided a positive benefit on mental health and improved high frequency of hearing. Unpublished research on the pharmacokinetics of noni was carried out at the UIC laboratory in Rockford, Illinois by Dr. Wang. Allergenicity and toxicology. Moringa, the acute toxicology studies in rats versus the acute toxicity of noni juice, 15,000 milligrams per kg was administered via gauze. The animals were observed for 14 days. Animals survived with no adverse clinical signs were noted. No allergic reactions were seen in this study. No positive allergic reactions were seen in any noni group of the animals following the trial. Statistical clinical survey. Recently, Ned Solomon, formerly Maryland's first Secretary of Health and Mental Hygiene, finished a statistical clinical survey that offers a fairly accurate picture of noni's medicinal benefits. He has written books on noni juice and listed more than 50 doctors and health professionals whose patients previously used or using noni to treat different conditions. After reviewing the results of the more than 10,000 noni juice users, he determined that noni possesses a variety of efficacious medical properties that modern medicine should not ignore. 67% of 847 people with cancer experienced significant lessening of their symptoms. 91% of patients who used Noni juice noticed an increase in energy levels. 72% of overweight patients lost weight. 87% of those drinking Noni juice for high blood pressure experienced a significant drop in blood pressure. Nearly 90% of those with chronic pain experienced a significant decrease in pain. 80% of arthritis sufferers reported a lessening of arthritic symptoms. 80% of people with heart disease experienced a decrease of their symptoms. 83% of patients with type 1 and type 2 diabetes experienced noticeable changes in their condition. 89% of the people experienced improved digestion. 85% of people with allergies lessening symptoms. Side effects among all participants were minimal or non-existent. We summarized the data and wrote several pamphlets and booklets on these findings. Cancer prevention: to take medicine only when you are sick is like digging a well only when you are thirsty. It is not already too late. It's a proverb from Chinese. This proverb suggests that prevention is more important than treatment. Cancer is the second leading cause of death in the US according to the American Cancer Society. 1,500 people per day die from cancer in the United States of America. Fighting against cancer is a great task for the scientists engaged in this field. The studies of food, diet and cancer indicate that lifestyle changes including eating more fruits and vegetables and quitting smoking will benefit cancer patients. This hypothesis was examined using 2 carcinogenic animal models and 1 human clinical study of a group of current smokers at the University of Illinois at Chicago, College of Medicine, Rockford, USA. The animal models, including the following: DMBA-induced mammary gland tumorigenesis model and an acute liver injury model induced by a liver carcinogen carbon tetrachloride. If Noni juice can prevent and block the formation of carcinogen-induced DNA adducts, it may prevent cancer at the initial stage. These results indicate that Noni juice may prevent mammary breast cancer at the initial stage of chemical carcinogenesis. This preliminary data, I am not going to details, my dear friends, and this data of the just conclusion. This preliminary data indicates that Noni juice may prevent cancer at the initiation stage of carcinogenesis. Antioxidant activity: in order to explore the mechanism of the cancer preventive effect, Noni juice, the antioxidant activity was examined. It is known that oxidative damage induced by reactive free radicals is involved in the development of cancer. Therefore, Noni juice has a great potential to scavenge reactive oxygen free radicals. In an acute liver injury model induced by carbon tetrachloride is a liver carcinogen and lipid hydroperoxidation inducer. In conclusion, Noni juice may protect liver from the extensive carcinogenic CCl4 exposure. In current smokers, cigarette smoking has been implicated in pathogens of emphysema, ischemic heart disease and cancer. The data from the in vitro study CC14 induced liver injury model of female SD rats and current smokers indicate that Noni juice is a strong antioxidant which can scavenge reactive oxygen free radicals and fetch lipid hydroxyperoxidase, therefore reducing the cancer risk. Selective inhibition of COX-2 already, my dear Dr. Mukesh has discussed about this. I will not go into details much. Anti-inflammatory and Noni juice in acute liver injury induced by CC14. The anti-inflammatory activity of Noni juice was observed in an acute liver injury model in female SD rats induced by CC14. Ongoing study, a pilot study including 68 current smokers was finished in early 2000. The clinical part of the extended study was closed in July 2002. An additional 274 volunteers were recruited. Therefore, drinking Noni juice may be beneficial for the prevention of heart, lung and brain diseases as well as delaying the aging process and maintaining overall good health. And my dear friends, in WNR World Health Research Foundation, there is many more doctors and scientists doing ongoing study. Very shortly, we are going to come out with the positive results. Thank you.